Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Hyundai Tucson showroom walk around. The Hyundai Tucson stands as a symbol of modern innovation and sleek design, capturing attention with its bold lines and dynamic presence. From the moment you step into the showroom, the ambiance reflects luxury and sophistication, complementing the striking silhouette of the Tucson. Every detail of the vehicle has been crafted with precision, blending aesthetics with functionality to create an unparalleled driving experience. The front grille, with its distinctive parametric design, seamlessly integrates with the LED daytime running lights, exuding confidence and elegance. The sculpted hood flows effortlessly into the streamlined body, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a commanding stance. The Tucson's alloy wheels, meticulously designed, add a touch of sportiness, reinforcing its premium appeal. As your eyes move along the body, the sharp creases and fluidic design showcase Hyundai's commitment to innovation and style. The side profile reveals a well-proportioned structure, accentuated by chrome-finished window trims and bold wheel arches that house the high-performance tires. The seamless door handles blend effortlessly with the body, maintaining a clean and futuristic look. The sloping roofline adds a touch of dynamism, while the integrated roof rails enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The Tucson's rear design is just as captivating, with sleek LED taillights connected by a continuous light bar, adding a sense of width and sophistication. The hidden rear wiper ensures an uninterrupted, clean look, further elevating its modern appeal. The rear bumper features an integrated skid plate, highlighting the vehicle's adventurous spirit. Stepping inside the Tucson, the cabin welcomes you into a world of comfort and advanced technology. The premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and meticulous stitching create an atmosphere of refinement. The dashboard layout is sleek and uncluttered, with a fully digital instrument cluster providing real-time vehicle information with crystal-clear precision. The large touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity at your fingertips. The multi-function steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, offers intuitive controls for audio, cruise, and hands-free communication. The ambient lighting, customizable to suit different moods, enhances the luxurious feel of the interior. The seating in the Tucson is designed for supreme comfort, offering ample legroom and support for long journeys. The ventilated and heated front seats ensure year-round comfort, while the rear seats provide ample space for passengers to relax. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. The dual-zone climate control system ensures that every occupant enjoys the perfect temperature, regardless of the weather outside. The center console, with its ergonomic design, houses a wireless charging pad and multiple USB ports, catering to modern connectivity needs. The premium sound system, engineered for an immersive experience, delivers crystal-clear audio, making every journey enjoyable. The Tucson is equipped with an array of cutting-edge safety features, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Hyundai's Smart Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. The blind spot monitoring system alerts the driver of unseen vehicles, enhancing safety during lane changes. The surround view camera system provides a 360-degree perspective, making parking and maneuvering effortless. The intelligent parking assist feature takes convenience to the next level, allowing the vehicle to park itself with minimal driver input. The robust chassis, combined with advanced airbag systems, provides maximum protection in the event of a collision. Under the hood, the Tucson offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options, catering to different driving preferences. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants showcase Hyundai's commitment to sustainability, delivering impressive fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction on various terrains, making the Tucson a versatile choice for urban and off-road adventures. The drive mode selector allows customization of performance, adapting to different road conditions and driving styles. The refined suspension system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Beyond performance, the Tucson is designed for everyday convenience. The hands-free smart power tailgate allows effortless access to the spacious cargo area, accommodating everything from groceries to adventure gear. The split folding rear seats provide flexibility, expanding the cargo space to suit different needs. The Tucson's intelligent key system allows seamless entry and ignition with the push of a button. The remote start function ensures the cabin is at the perfect temperature before you even step inside. The connected car technology allows remote monitoring and control through a smartphone app, adding a layer of convenience and security. As you take a step back and admire the Hyundai Tucson in the showroom, the illuminated name on the wall reinforces its status as a game-changer in the SUV segment. It is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of sophistication, innovation, and versatility. The showroom's ambient lighting highlights the Tucson's sculpted lines, while the reflective floor enhances its commanding presence. The elegant display area, featuring modern architecture and minimalist decor, serves as the perfect backdrop for this masterpiece of automotive engineering. The Tucson embodies the perfect blend of form and function, redefining expectations in the SUV category. Hyundai's dedication to excellence is evident in every aspect of the Tucson, from its meticulously crafted exterior to its feature-rich interior. The seamless integration of technology, safety, and performance makes it a standout choice for those who seek more from their driving experience. It is a vehicle designed for modern explorers, offering a perfect balance of practicality and luxury. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the Tucson ensures every journey is enjoyable, safe, and connected. The essence of the Tucson lies in its ability to adapt to different lifestyles, catering to families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike. The advanced driver assistance systems make city driving effortless, while the robust engineering ensures confidence on highways and challenging terrains. The fuel-efficient engines, combined with hybrid technology, contribute to a greener future without compromising driving pleasure. Hyundai's commitment to sustainability extends beyond fuel efficiency, incorporating eco-friendly materials within the cabin to reduce environmental impact. The future of mobility is embodied in the Tucson, where innovation meets practicality. The seamless fusion of digital connectivity and intuitive controls enhances the overall user experience. Voice commands, gesture controls, and smartphone integration redefine convenience, allowing drivers to stay connected while keeping their focus on the road. The navigation system, equipped with real-time traffic updates, ensures the most efficient routes are taken, saving time and enhancing driving pleasure. The Tucson's ability to learn user preferences and adapt accordingly sets it apart in the competitive SUV market. Hyundai's legacy of reliability and innovation continues with the Tucson, setting new benchmarks in automotive excellence. The meticulous craftsmanship, combined with state-of-the-art technology, makes it a vehicle that stands the test of time. The comprehensive warranty and after-sales support reflect Hyundai's confidence in its engineering prowess. The Tucson is more than just a means of transportation, it is an experience, a journey, and a lifestyle choice. As the spotlight shines on the Hyundai Tucson in the luxurious showroom, it becomes evident that this SUV is designed to inspire. The fusion of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology makes it a formidable presence on the road. Every detail, from the striking exterior to the thoughtfully designed interior, reflects Hyundai's pursuit of perfection. The Tucson is not just an SUV, it is a testament to progress, innovation, and the art of modern engineering. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.